everyone. We are at Epic Universe. I'm gonna be filming on and off with the camera and the phone because I'm still trying to figure out what comes out better. Because sometimes this thing films like crap in dark areas or at night, and it's been kind of rainy, so it might be on and off. I want to do monsters. I want to do ministry, and I want to do whatever else I can do. Talk to some monsters, get some food. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime, so let's go to Epic Universe. The wait time seems a little scary, but once HHN starts, maybe it'll be better over here. I don't know. We shall see. So let's get in there. I found it easier to record on the phone when I'm walking because the other camera I have has shit stabilization, so I'll film when I'm talking to characters or like standing still somewhere, but this is what you're getting. I think I'm gonna start off in Darkmoor or Dark Universe, just because I love that place. I want to do Monsters Unchained. All the other rides are long waits. I'm hungry. I've been kind of wanting to eat there again. So let's go do that. Over at Pizza Moon, I guess they're filming an ad or commercial. I can't speak. There's a hot set. Seems to be happening over there. Honey, I'm home. Take a left. There are black toilets. No. Not great. Well, you know, the world just started going. I'm gonna be recording mostly of this because my camera's doing not good in this water. All right, we're gonna eat at Das Steakhouse. I don't know who this is, but he's their favorite familiar. That's gonna be me soon. Trust me, I know the saying is the camera eats first, but I ate first. I got the burger, and then I got the coffin cake, so we about to destroy this. Gosh, I love this freaking land, even though the windmill's not moving. Alright, I just ate the burger. The burger's really good. I preferred the chicken sandwich I got last time, so it's like a 7 out of 10, pretty good. And then I got the coffin cake, which was also probably like a 7 out of 10. The other dessert, which was the labricata, I got that last time, was really good. So honestly, last time I did better, but this time was good. Also, I chose a busy ass day to go here because Monsters Unchained's 35 minutes and I've never seen that ever. So, wish me luck. The ride is down for extended time. Woo! Bro, everything is down. I'm gonna cry.
So please come closer and allow me to tell you this story. If you want to survive. Back then as now, a hidden corner of the world was a haven for lost and troubled. The moon was bright in the woods that night, and from the heart to the forest they heard a haunting melody.
Y'all ready?
Y'all, I fucked up. It's busy. It's probably the worst I've ever seen it. I mean, it could be because of Stardust. I have no idea. Monsters is at a 60-minute wait. Tell me if you've ever seen that, because I haven't. I did it really quick, though. Single rider. It was like a walk-on, which, woo, but you missed the pre-show. I'm fighting. I don't know what to do, y'all. It's busy. And none of the characters are out, so I don't know. I'm going to try to do something. Let's just do it. Time to go to Paris, because I don't know, I might just do ministry. Everything's a long line, but I like this ride, so. Guys, it's so busy, even though it doesn't look that crowded. After what felt like an hour, we're almost there. Just kidding, we're not. We're just going through the portal.
it, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge, for your crimes, you'll spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
Alright, y'all, I just waited 3 hours for that ride. It was good. Wasn't worth 3 hours. I can also say, though, that was the best ride through I've had of Ministry. Everything was working, and they also had a new effect that they've been working on, where in the clock room, like when things are getting broken, the thing swings like the clock. It was huge and it looked sick. Was it worth 3 hours though? No. But honestly, guys, it's busy. I might just go to Dark Universe, see if I can see some characters and drink some monocaine. Guys, I'm in Darkmoor, my favorite place. Where else would I be? Now I'm about to meet, it looks like Frankenstein. Might just be him. He's my buddy, so his bride's here too. So it's both of them. Let's go. Show you my shirt. We ignore that guy. You know, like
Smart.
He's right here. I had to show you guys. I think we got a towel.
He has taken mine.
Yeah. You know, I thought it was fitting that after meeting Frankenstein and the bride again, told him about my brother. We lost him. Hopefully he's okay. I thought I'd get a drink. I really want monocaine, so. Alright, I got the monocaine again, and yes, I have this bottle already at home, but it's at home. And I honestly forgot that you can get half off if you bring it back, so I'm honestly gonna come back in like 2 weeks with my family, and I'll just refill it for cheaper. Also, Putnick's not here.
6, 7, I just been right on it.
It's bad, man. It's no laughing matter, dude.
I'm sorry. It's funny. Oh.
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why I picked that spot.
I see.
For everyone, avoid the roads at all costs. Okay, these ones going to be driving. I have no faith. Bless you. Here from.
Thank you.
Okay.
Everything, I guess.
Really?
Yeah, I'm trying to disappear from everything.
Your life is that terrible.
Yeah, it's been pretty rough. I'm sorry.
Do you not have a girlfriend?
No, I do.
Oh,
Yeah, we're good.
and she's that bad.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. No, don't tell her that. Don't tell her.
You're the one recording, dude.
I'm You're right.
I can't be held responsible for what you're doing yourself.
You're right.
But this is a symptom of maybe you're looking for an escape plan anyway.
Yeah, like a backup.
Self-incrimination. She's gonna be like, what does this mean? He's like, oh, I don't know. I'm sorry, baby. I didn't mean it. I'm just trying to be funny for people. You know, I was out there on the street having these monocaine. It just went straight to my head. But yeah, we need to break up. You can quote me on that.
I will. I thought I had to tell you something. I'm a big supporter of you, doctor, and Igor just said you were a charlatan.
A charlatan.
Yeah, he said you're like lying and deceiving people. I don't believe it though.
And why would you listen to a thing he says?
Well, because he said I should trust him.
He grave robs for a living, sir.
You're not wrong. Okay.
Do you know how much intelligence it requires to do that?
Not that much. Probably.
None.
Yeah, none? Okay. I'm sorry.
Don't apologize.
Well,
You're the one taking advice from an imbecile.
I don't believe him though. That's why I came to you. I believe you. Your work's always been...
You shouldn't have needed any of this.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm a quantifiable genius.
You are.
I'm aware. That's why I'm telling you. I don't need your validation.
I'm not... Okay. I get it. I apologize. Again.
Take your insincere apology elsewhere.
Okay. Have a good day. Or
Have a
not.
miserable day.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, the invisible man hurt my feelings, you know. He was mean. I was just trying to help him, you know. He doesn't need my help, right, doctor? But I was just telling him that Igor was calling him a charlatan, and I shouldn't trust him, I guess, but now he's like mad at me, but my imbecility. But we're gonna go on Monsters. I'm doing Monsters again, because why not? I love that original movie. But this queue is amazing. And also, I did Single Rider, so I didn't get to see any of this, and you kind of have to see it. She's a liar. I don't believe it. What's in there? Okay, I'm taking too long.
people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing, better than the original. He is the key to our most...
I will destroy you when
These two just don't get along. Please, don't touch that.
You already know I'm back in Nintendo World, baby. Alright, y'all. I don't know what I want to do. I do want to play games again. I want to do some of the ones I didn't do. And then I also want to go on some rides over here, so I do like it. I've decided to try my luck with single rider. 70-minute wait normally. We'll see if it's anything like that. Love you, Bowser. But I do like this ride. I do. It is fun, and it literally feels like you're playing the game, so I can't, like, lie. Oh, shit, if it's right here... I'm done with Nintendo. I got on Mario Kart in way less than 70 minutes. I think it was like 40, which is pretty good. Also, I've been getting progressively better at that ride. I got 170. I almost want to get 200. One of these days I will. I'm getting better. Like, I'm noticing the power-up blocks, but like... I love how beautiful this park is, or this land. This land's easily like the most complete though. Dragon. I've decided to do fire drill. Last time I did, I waited way too long. It was broke. It wasn't broken. They loaded our boat really bad, and it was tipped to one side, which could have been really bad, and it was for a little bit. The ride didn't like work as properly intended. It's 10-minute wait right now. I'm gonna do it. We'll see if my opinion changes on this ride. As of right now, I think it's horrible. So we'll see. I went on fire drill. Actually, it was better. You can't really see it, but I did get wetter. The effects were working this time. Some of them. And I was getting wet. Like, I wanted to get wet. Like, if I'm going on this, I'm getting wet. It was fun. And I'm a little wet. All right, y'all. I was gonna get meat hall, but I guess they closed. I did go to the Spitfire, and I got the steak bowl, which this looks so good. And then we also have, yeah, the ride right here, which I got wet on. But let me eat this thing. You better believe your boy just did hiccups, and it was only like a 30-minute wait. Let's freaking go. Also, Ministry says it's 35, so I might do that again, and then Monsters, and I'm out. We'll see. All right, here we go. I just walked by Stardust, which it's closed, but it's supposed to reopen tomorrow. That's like breaking news. Like, it just came like out today. It's supposed to reopen tomorrow, and it's been 3 weeks since the investigation. Gosh, this land is just beautiful. I love it. So this is just pissing me off now because I was waiting all the way through that. And now it's like a walk-on. Well, I know it's not because there'll be a line inside, but like, bro, I get to go right through the Metro Flu. All right, y'all, I gotta get to the Ministry. Oh, I love this ride. People don't. I love it, but I'm on the verge of crashing out. I was just here. I still need to eat there at some point. Helios. This park's beautiful. And yes, you can call me out. I'm insane. A lot of other people do too. I'm going on freaking Monsters again. Ministry twice in a day? Monsters for 5 times? Like... Am I gonna end the vlog here? Yes. Did I go on Monsters Unchained 2 more times? Yes.
Did I go on it 6 times today? Yes. I love this ride, and if you don't, why? But have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the future, or soon, because we're here.